So adding fields to your advanced search page, real easy. You can't do it, only support at realgeeks.com can do it. But all you need to do is go to your site's back end. So I'm using rickbryantscells.com as an example right now, but it would be yourdomain.com/admin. Scroll down a little bit to right here, area pages. Next to it, click on add. Now we're not actually going to add an area page, we're just going to look at what fields are currently available. Scroll down a little bit until you see Property Display Search Options and click on Show. Scroll down a little bit more and choose Create Search. These are the available fields currently in your IDX. Any of these fields can be added to your advanced search page. All you need to do is look through the list, compile a list, write it down, make a list of the fields that you want added, and send it to support@realgeeks.com. They'll take care of it. Another thing is, if there is an important field here, or that is not here, that's in your MLS, sometimes Real Geeks can add that as well. What you'd have to do is get the field name from your MLS exactly as it's spelled in your MLS, the choices that are available in that field in your MLS, and 2 to 3 active MLS numbers that meet that search criteria. Send it over to Real Geeks, let them know the field name, the field choices, the few MLS numbers, and sometimes they can map those special fields as well. That's it. Thanks.